A big leak that surfaced recently has suggested an interesting twist in Sony's next-gen PlayStation strategy. Rather than chasing raw power like previous consoles, Sony appears to be emphasizing low-power, efficient hardware that could possibly support a new PS6 variant that could go all-in on handheld gaming. Recent leaks from hardware insider Moore's Law is dead, and corroborating reports indicate that Sony has been urging developers to prioritize low-power and power-saver modes in the PlayStation 5 software development kit. The Power Saver mode is now included by default in PS5 dev tools, and it's reportedly being treated as a higher priority than some PS5 Pro-specific optimizations. That suggests Sony might be laying the groundwork for hardware that runs at lower total power. All of this basically points to a portable console for a handheld gaming form. According to leaked documentation, Sony is also encouraging studios to make games that can run on lower CPU configurations, possibly because future PS6 handheld hardware may not support as many high-power cores or threads as a full-fledged console like the PlayStation 5. Leaks claim developers are being asked to ensure games can run using 8 CPU threads. In other words, an upcoming PlayStation might have limited horsepower to work with. We have recently seen a bunch of handheld gaming consoles drop in the market, like the new Asus ROG Xbox Ally series. So the recent leak might be the latest competitor in the market. Furthermore, the power-saving focus could imply that Sony wants games to maintain a target frame rate by lowering resolution and load, rather than simply throttling physics or cutting frame rates. This is what led to the speculations of Sony preparing developers to make games that scale better for gaming rigs with lower thermal and power budgets, like handhelds. Other leaks have also suggested that Sony may ship a device with 4 Zen 6C cores along with 2 low-power cores for background processes.